Hi, my name is Aneya Marie, and I'm with ClownAntics.com. Today I will be showing you how to make a monkey. One balloon. I'm going to be making a monkey. I'm stretching the balloon just to give it a lot of extra space. My last monkey didn't have a very long tail. And a way to prevent that from happening is to stretch your balloons. Go ahead and fill your balloon up just under halfway. Let out a lot of air. We want this really soft. We definitely want this soft. Push the excess air down into your slack. Start off with a petal. Fold and twist. Tie your knot. Pull your knot through this nose that you're making. Start with a small, about 2 fingers for a bubble. About 3 fingers for the forehead. So have something that looks like this. Go ahead, another 2 fingers for your last bubble. 2 bubbles together. Pinch twist. And you're going to pinch twist these 2 balloons. So for your first small balloon, go ahead and pull it out and twist. You want to make sure that your bubbles are the same size or you'll have lopsided ears like I just did. Go ahead and give your monkey a little neck. We're going on to the arms. So about 3 fingers for your sausage length. About 2 fingers for your first paw. Again, 2 fingers for your second paw. A little more air. And measure it with your first forearm and pinch it. Go ahead and give your monkey a little body. Coming to the end of your monkey after you make your feet petal, flower petal feet, you're gonna have this nice long tail after. Go ahead and take that tail and just start wrapping it around a few fingers. And kind of hold it there. You can warm the balloon up with your hand to make it a little more malleable. Give your monkey a nice little curly tail. You can attach your monkey if you already know that you're going to have some form of flower, a tree, a heart. You would just build that into the sculpture. So as you're making the feet, whatever you're building it around is what you'll wrap the feet and the arms around. Don't forget your face. And there you are. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Please visit the links below and be sure to share with your friends.